If you were trapped here, this video is for you. On this 30-minute time frame, price didn't move randomly. It followed smart money structure. First, we saw a break of structure, which confirmed bullish intent. But instead of continuing higher, price created internal inducement and an internal change of character. This is where many traders entered too early and got trapped. That area looked like a clean buy, but it was not a real point of interest. Smart money needed liquidity first. After those internal stops were taken, price reacted from a mitigated order block, followed by strong displacement and expansion into buy-side liquidity. This is why most traders lose before the move actually starts. Subscribe to Discount Trader for clear price action and smart money breakdowns. No indicators, no hype, just structure and logic.
In this chart, the most important area is the mitigated order block, because this is where smart money actually entered the market. An order block is formed when institutions place large orders that cause a strong displacement and a clear break of structure. However, institutions rarely fill all their positions in one move. After the initial impulse, price comes back to mitigate or rebalance those unfilled orders. On this chart, notice how price first created liquidity through internal inducement and an internal change of character. This step was necessary to remove weak buyers and collect sell-side liquidity. Only after that liquidity was taken did price return into the previous bullish order block. This is why we call it a mitigated order block. Price is not breaking it. Price is respecting and reusing it. The reaction from this zone is not slow or uncertain. We see strong bullish displacement, clean candles, and immediate continuation. That displacement confirms that institutions were active inside this block. So the key lesson is simple. The order block is not the first touch. It's the right touch after liquidity is cleared. If you wait for mitigation instead of chasing price, you align your execution with smart money timing, not retail emotion. In this chart, the internal change of character, or internal change of character, is not a reversal signal. It's a liquidity tool. After the higher timeframe break of structure confirmed bullish intent, price started forming internal higher lows. This encouraged early buyers to enter, believing continuation was coming. Then price broke that internal bullish structure. This break is what we call an internal change of character. Its purpose is not to flip the trend, but to trap early buyers and force them out of the market. Stops from those positions are resting below the internal lows, and smart money uses that liquidity to prepare the real move. On this chart, notice that after the internal change of character, price does not collapse. Instead, it moves deeper into the range to complete major inducement. Only after this liquidity is taken does price react from the mitigated order block and deliver strong, bullish displacement. So the key takeaway is simple. Internal change of character inside a bullish context is manipulation, not a trend change. Understanding this prevents you from selling bottoms and buying too early. In this chart, internal inducement is the step that creates the trap before the move. After the higher timeframe break of structure confirmed bullish intent, price did not move directly higher. Instead, it formed small pullbacks and internal higher lows. These internal lows invite early buy entries. Traders believe price is respecting structure and continuing the trend. But this area is not a real point of interest. The purpose of internal inducement is to build liquidity. Every early buy places a stop loss below the internal low, and those stops become sell-side liquidity. On this chart, notice that once enough liquidity was built, price broke the internal structure through an internal change of character. This move clears those stops and forces weak buyers out of the market. Only after this inducement and liquidity grab does price move toward the mitigated order block, where institutional buying actually occurs. So the key lesson is this. Internal inducement is designed to attract traders, not reward them. Waiting for liquidity to be taken keeps you aligned with smart money, not trapped by it. This chart. Major inducement is the final manipulation phase before the real expansion begins. After the higher time frame break of structure confirmed bullish intent, price first created internal inducement and then an internal change of character. This trapped early buyers and built initial liquidity, but that liquidity was not enough for institutions, so price moved deeper into the range and took out key internal lows and weak structure. This deeper move is what we call major inducement. Major inducement has one main purpose: to clear a large pool of sell-side liquidity and create fear in the market. At this stage, many traders believe the bullish idea has failed. Some exit their buys while others start selling, expecting a reversal. That emotional reaction provides the volume institutions need. On this chart, notice that major inducement leads price directly into a previous bullish order block. This allows smart money to mitigate unfilled buy orders at optimal prices. Once mitigation is complete, price reacts with strong bullish displacement, confirming institutional participation. On this chart, buy-side liquidity represents the target area where price is designed to reach, not the entry. Buy-side liquidity sits above recent swing highs, where traders place stop losses or breakout buy orders. These resting orders create pools of liquidity that smart money can use to execute large positions efficiently. After the higher time frame break of structure, price went through internal inducement, internal change of character, and major inducement. Each of these phases built liquidity and cleared weak traders from the market. The real expansion began when price reacted from the mitigated order block, moving decisively toward the buy-side liquidity. Notice how price respects structure and sweeps highs. This is where breakout buyers enter, often late. Institutions use these resting buy orders to distribute positions or complete their move, which is why price often pauses or reverses here. On this chart, buy-trade execution is not about guessing. It's about trading with structure and liquidity. First, price gave a higher time frame break of structure, showing bullish bias. This confirms that we are looking for buy opportunities only. Next, price went through internal inducement and an internal change of character, trapping early buyers and creating liquidity. These areas are not entry points. They are preparation for the real move. The real buy execution occurs after price reaches the mitigated bullish order block. Here, unfilled institutional orders exist, and price reacts with a strong bullish displacement. Entry is taken after confirmation of reaction from this order block. Stop loss is placed below the inducement low, reducing the chance of getting stopped out. The target aligns with buy-side liquidity, resting above recent highs. By waiting for this alignment, you trade with smart money timing, not retail emotion. Follow Discount Trader for more price action and smart money execution tips. No indicators, no hype, just logic.